At times you would have seen certain banks launch a special drive to raise deposits. So they tend to give a higher rate of interest for deposit mobilization. We have seen situations where if the CASA deposits in a particular bank is low and they want to raise the CASA deposit percentage in their overall deposit base, so temporarily for a few months they increase the interest rates they pay on the savings bank accounts, deposit accounts, etc. So this is completely deregulated, and it's for the banks to decide, taking into account the overall financial sector and macroeconomic conditions and the situation with regard to their balance sheet. Now, with regard to whether we are seeing some trend towards that is for you to assess. I would not like to say, but I think overall, if you see, there has been considerable amount of stability in our interest rate regime, whether with regard to the central bank, I'm not saying with regard to the central bank, but overall in the financial system, I think our interest rates have not been very volatile. They have been fairly stable. So far as the unclaimed deposits are concerned, last year we had launched a special drive, and under which we advised every bank that each branch, depending on the number of unclaimed deposits they have, each branch should proactively on their own go out of their way, take special steps to identify top 10 unclaimed deposits and reach out to the persons. The progress has been satisfactory. Across regions the progress was uneven. We are pursuing that. Again, current year also we propose to take a similar measure. Besides that, we have, as you would be aware, we have set up we have now set up a digital, we have set up this Udgam portal, which houses all the list of all unclaimed deposits across the banking system. So anybody wanting to know whether he has an unclaimed deposit will be able to access the data in respect of Udgam portal. Earlier, the customers had to run from bank to bank. Let us say a person, there's an unfortunate death of a member in the family. If the other member, the children, want to know where their parents had bank accounts, today they can. It's much easier. Earlier, they had to run from bank to bank to find out where all unclaimed deposits were there. We can access that information through the portal. So it continues to be a priority. This year also we are planning to have a special drive for proactively banks identifying the current location of the unclaimed depositors and return the money.